Imagine a giant ball of gas burning so intensely that it outshines entire galaxies. Stars, those burning beacons in the night sky, are much more than just pretty lights. They are alive in a way we can barely understand. But have you ever wondered how a star is born? Or what happens when it dies? Let's take a journey to the heart of a star, where the secrets of the universe are forged. Meet Luna, an astrophysicist studying the birth of stars in a galaxy far, far away. Luna's dream was to witness the formation of a star from beginning to end, and she had the perfect telescope for the job. With a special device she created, Luna was able to peer into the heart of the nebula, the birthplace of stars. There she saw it, a cloud of gas and dust collapsing under its own gravity, slowly igniting into a star. But the birth of a star wasn't as simple as it seemed. Luna realized that it was a violent process. Extreme temperatures, unimaginable pressure, and explosive forces. This was only the beginning of a star's life. Stars go through different phases during their life. They start as protostars, gradually gaining mass as they pull in gas and dust. Eventually they reach the point where fusion begins, turning hydrogen into helium, and that's when they shine. Luna watched as the star grew brighter and brighter, entering the main sequence phase where it would stay for millions to billions of years. But what goes up must come down. Stars like our sun eventually run out of fuel. What happens next? Luna's telescope gave her a rare glimpse into the death of a massive star, and it wasn't pretty. When a massive star dies, it doesn't just fade away, it explodes. A supernova, the core collapses, creating a black hole or neutron star, while the outer layers explode in a spectacular show of light and energy. Luna could hardly believe her eyes. The explosion was so powerful, it released more energy in a few seconds than the sun would in its entire lifetime. This was the end of a star, but also the beginning of something new. All the elements we need for life, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, were formed in these supernovae, scattered across the universe to be recycled into new stars, planets, and even life. Stars die to give birth to the future. Now, let's break it down. Stars are born from the collapse of massive clouds of gas and dust in nebula. This collapse causes the material to heat up, and once the temperature and pressure are high enough, nuclear fusion begins, marking the birth of a star. During the main sequence phase, stars fuse hydrogen into helium, generating light and heat, but when they run out of hydrogen, the star swells into a red giant and eventually explodes as a supernova. The remnants form either a black hole or a neutron star, depending on the original star's mass. Materials from a supernova are scattered into space, enriching the cosmos with the building blocks for new stars, planets, and life itself. Luna stood in awe as she watched the last remnants of the star fade away. She realized something profound. The death of a star is just as important as its birth. The universe is constantly recycling itself. Stars are born, live, and die, and in doing so, they create everything around us. The very atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of ancient stars. From the explosive birth of a star to the violent end of its life, Luna realized that stars are not just burning balls of gas. They are the very essence of existence itself. Stars may live for billions of years, but their cycle of life and death is what fuels the universe. The secrets of the cosmos are written in the stars, and with each death, new life is born. And as Luna gazed at the stars above, she understood something amazing. The universe is alive, constantly evolving and creating. just like the stars.